Guys, in this video I'm going to show you a little bit JavaScript tricks for cleaner code. So I just provide you a video and show you how we can declare an array. So in a regular way in Typescript, so we're gonna just do some codes which I'm gonna show you what this code is. So in this video I'm gonna use some extension here which is called Quokka, and that's very helpful for some samples in Typescript. So I'm just gonna create a new Quokka new file. So just create here and then select which kind of file I'm gonna create it. So I would like to take Typescript, for example. So here, for example, in a regular way we're gonna declare an array, for example str numbers or list numbers, for example something like this in Typescript, maybe 1 and 2, for example. Also we can specify the type of this list numbers. For example, we can say, hey, this is a string of array, and then go for log it, for example, say some information here, for example. So let me click here to see the results. Also, this is some kind of information of this extension Quokka. You can install it, and I will post the link, a video link for how to install this kind of stuffs in your VS Codes. So just console log and list numbers, for example. As you can see, the results are here 1 and 2. So if I'm gonna change something here, for example, copy this one and then paste it and then comment this one to compare it with the new results, for example, I can just says array of a string here, for example. So in this situation, so let me remove some unnecessary things here. So I can also say this is array of strings and say 1 and 2. So as we can see here, the results are not gonna be changing, and this is an array but a little bit a cleaner code. That's why I'm changed this kind of stuffs to the array, and highly recommended, Typescript highly recommended that you use this code instead of this code. Yes, that's my tip today to learn or maybe cleaner code in Typescript. So if you have any question, please ask me in a post, so I will ask you your question. Hope you enjoy my video and have a good day. Bye.